Real quick, guys, in today's video I'm going to just quickly share with you guys this trade that is running right now. And I believe you can see this clearly. My TP is about to be smashed right away, and this is where I open my position, and this is my stop loss. All right, so if you look at this particular position, this particular trade that is running right now, you will see that I started doing analysis from higher time frame on this particular trade. That was the reason I was able to catch this trade at a sniper entry this way. You can see this here. I opened my position right here. You can see this almost zero drawdown, guys. And if you actually know what you are doing, you'll be able to catch something like this. And if you want you want to learn how to do things like this, what I can easily advise you is the fact that I must not be the one to mentor you or coach you on how to learn things like this. I just want the situation whereby you can understand how this pair moves, and know how and when to pull your trigger on any of the position that you are opening. All right, so if you look at this here, you can see that I've been waiting patiently for this particular zone here, and as soon as it matures, I open two positions. You can see my lot size there, guys. There is nothing to hide. And one thing that I want you guys to know is the fact that you can actually do this no matter where you are, or no matter how you think that trading is very hard. I just want every one of you, I just want to encourage every one of you that you can actually do this. You can see this here. It all depends. That is why I keep on telling some of my students that patience is one of the key. All right, or should I say patience is the overall key to any successful trading. All right, because had it been a fail to wait patiently for this particular setup to mature, I would have lost a lot of money here. But this particular trade that you are seeing here, I waited for almost hours before this trade played out. All right, so you can see where I picked that here. You can see this here. I waited for all this exhaustion of this candle here before I opened this position, and when I descended on my lower time frame, that was when I picked it at that sniper entry, which was my 5 minute time frame. As soon as I spot this pullback here, this green candle that pull back, and I spot this inverted hammer up there, which is sometimes you might call it shooting star, but this is not the actual shooting star, guys. All right, so that is when I opened this first position, and I added this one again just because I had a confirmation. My confirmation or my requirements was met exactly the way I wanted it. So combine the fact that this pair is trending downward. That was the reason I opened this position, and I opened two positions at a go. All right, so unlike me when trading V75 index, I don't really take that risk of opening multiple positions, but I opened two positions just to let you guys know that for sure, once you know what you're doing, you'll be able to capitalize on any setup that you have been waiting for. And as soon as the setup comes to maturity, you capitalize on it, and you strike. That is how you are going to trade and make money from this market. And do not forget what I normally tell you guys, that you need to start the analysis from higher time frame. That is when you'll be able to understand what you are going to do on your lower time frame. Without that, you are not going to make money from it, because you'll be seeing lower time frames, silly confirmations that is not going to take you to anywhere. So what I'm saying in essence is the fact that if you want me to mentor you and share, or you want to have a share of my course on how this is being done, or how I break it down in my course, all you just need to do is for you to reach out to me via the form that will be in the description box of this particular video that you're watching right now. Or if you want to access it very quick, all you just need to do is for you to WhatsApp me. I mean the serious minded people. And do not come to my DM please to ask me if course or if this mentorship program is free service. This is not a free service, this is a paid service. All you just need to do is for you to really sacrifice once and for all and get this right. It must not be me to mentor you, please. Do not misunderstand me. It must not be me to coach you. All you just need to do is for you to look for someone else there that will coach you on how to get this right, and stop giving your money back to the market. It's very important that you know that, and stop doing the try and error phase, whereby you will be thinking that you will watch random YouTube videos and nobody is going to put all it takes out there for. I'm just telling you guys the simple truth about this, because no matter how everybody preaches to drop free costs or whatever, it can never share whatever he or she knows about trading with you guys for free. All right, there must be a point, or they must get to a point whereby they will request you pay to learn the full things. All right, so I'm trying my best to share free information with you guys whereby you can use to make money, at least for a start, and know how to fully equip yourself when it comes to the trading world. All right, so that's exactly what I want to share with you guys here. And just as I said earlier on, you can see that my TP is almost hit like this. And if you love content like this and you want me to share more on how you guys will capitalize on this and be trading profitably, all you just need to do is for you to smash that like button, do well to share this video with others that are struggling, because information, they say, is power. All right, so once you do that, you are helping others to to live above try and errors. All right, so that is exactly one thing that I want to share with you guys here. And do not forget to like this video as well, and also do yourself that favor, guys. Do yourself that favor, keep on pushing, do not give up, because I believe that these things that I'm sharing with you guys here sounds like I'm turning into a motivational speaker, but I'm just trying to encourage you guys to know that you can actually do this once you made up your mind. That is how it works. It's simple, guys. It's simple. So do yourself that favor and get someone out there that will coach you on how this works. But if you want me to mentor you, use the form in the description box of this video, or use my WhatsApp number to reach out to me, and any of the two channels will be very okay for you to get in touch with me. So that's exactly how it is. And also, if you want to be a specialist on trading boom and crash, all you just need to do, guys, is for you to actually DM me right away from the number that will be in the description box of this video, and I will get you started on that as well. So that is it, guys. I think I will use the outcome of this trade as a thumbnail so that you will see how much this trade generates. So signing out, Olites, peace.